Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a game on Blooket. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in blooket.com and press enter. Now from the website, click on the login button at the top right corner and then continue with your login credentials and you will be taken into your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, in order to start a new game, simply click on the play button at the top left corner. Now you can simply enter your game ID and then click on the arrow button at the right side and you will be able to join any game. If you wish to create a new game, simply click on set creator and now you will be able to create a new game set for your students. You can also click on discover and then look through various games that are available. Simply click on any game that you're interested in, and in order to start a new game alone, you can simply click on the solo button. You can also host a new game by clicking on the host button. If you choose to host, you can change various game settings and start hosting. You can also play the game by yourself or start hosting the game with your preferred settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a game on Blooket. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.